Alexa, turn on garage lights.
Okay.
Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're talking about smart light switches.
All this year we are working with the Home Depot to bring you the latest and greatest smart home technology.
Today we're talking about the Leviton Smart Light Switch and the Leviton Smart Light Switch with dimmer feature. And these are both hardwired devices.
We are not going to actually show you step by step how we did the install because your wiring may look a little different from our wiring. If you're the least bit uncomfortable working with electricity, it's always a great idea to call in an electrician. Now we decided we were going to go ahead and hardwire these ourselves, but we took the advice of a couple of electrician friends of ours, so we knew we were doing exactly the right thing at the right time. We were very confident about installing these because the wiring in both the garage and inside the house are fairly new, so we knew we weren't going to encounter any weird wiring.
Once these are installed, it's on to the fun part. So all the smart features can be set up through the Leviton app, so you download that and then you can set up your switch through the app. It connects to your Wi-Fi network and then you can turn it on and off within the app. You can also set it up to work with voice control with Amazon Alexa, which I just used, or with Google Assistant. One reason we're excited to have this installed in the garage is right here. We're going to be installing a big tool chest and it's going to cover up our light switch, but that's not a problem now because we can just use our phone to turn on the lights or tell Alexa what to do. Just like, hey Alexa, turn off garage lights.
Okay. Alexa, dining room dimmer 60%. Okay.
Not only can you adjust the switches with your voice, your phone, you can also do it the old-fashioned way with the switch right here, and I'm going to bring the light all the way up to 100% just by touching it. So along with all those options, there's also one more option. I actually have access to Mom's lights on my phone. So here at my house, I can control the dimmer, so if I want 100% or 50%, I can do that. I can also turn it off. But yeah, I can also turn it back on.
One thing to note is the switch plate does not come to box. You need to be sure you pick up one of those. You do get an option in the color of the rocker. It comes in white or beige. Just pick up the one that corresponds to what you're choosing. We went with the screwless faceplate, so there's no screws that show.
So far, we've been really happy with how these light switches work out. We're actually planning on putting some more Leviton devices in the garage so that we'll be able to, with a simple voice command, turn on everything in the garage. If you like this project and want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new projects. Bye.
That was awkward.
Okay, I'll walk in first. Yeah, but your hand would still be there.
I can do it behind you.